wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyBib Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 10 best air fryer cookbooks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If The Most Wanted, Crispy and Craveable by Alice Hall doesn't get your mouth watering, perhaps nothing will. It'll guide you through making just about every type of foodstuff you can imagine, including sweet desserts and savory snacks. It includes vegetarian choices, however it's not edited very well, and it isn't as user-friendly as some. At number 9, although there's debate as to whether this diet lives up to the hype, there's little argument that the meals in keto, easy and healthy low-carb recipes are down-to-earth yet appetizing. They're also light on salt, so probably fine for those watching their sodium intake. This one's a budget-friendly title, but the index is poor and unhelpful, and there are a lot of grammatical errors. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Keep a napkin handy because the Chow in Air Fryer Perfection by America's Test Kitchen will have you drooling all over the place. In fact, the color photography throughout might make it tough to choose just one recipe as a starting point. This one comes from a beloved brand and includes secrets for even cooking along with nutritional information. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air fryer cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you don't have to stick to the same old when you try Everyday Easy by Urvashi Pitra, as it's inspired by the cuisines of the world. But don't worry, it's got some familiar favorites too, such as grilled cheese sandwiches for the picky eaters in your home. All the options require an hour or less and are designed to be fresh and healthy, but they do require some unusual ingredients. Moving up our list to number 6. Todd English's deep-fried flavor made easy might be from a celebrity chef and restaurateur, but anyone, including the moderately experienced, can whip up the grub in this book. Some find it a little light on information about general technique though. It contains a chart for common cooking times along with safety tips for newbies. However, it could use a greater number of dishes. Halfway up our list at number 5. Meals without animal products don't have to be difficult, as you'll learn from The Vegan Air Fryer by J.L. Fields, which gives you tons of recipes that are tasty and healthy. Some find them fun too, especially the jalapeno poppers and donut holes. This one's good for novices to the lifestyle and includes plenty of comfort foods, but it relies heavily on fake meats. At number 4, you might expect a lot from a selection called The Bible, and in this case you wouldn't be disappointed. Packed with over 200 dishes to choose from, it gives you the versatility and information you need to keep everyone in your family well fed. It includes appliance buying suggestions and a very usable index. However, there aren't enough photographs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For people who are on a budget, extremely busy, or both, Olivia Harrington's 550 recipes includes an array of dishes that are neither time-consuming nor expensive. The variety of foods offered is stunning, from potato wedges to coffee cheesecake and beyond. This one's not terribly pricey and fine for beginners, and comes with a good table of contents. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air fryer cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you have 30 minutes or less, you can make any of the recipes in Super Easy, which lives up to its name in providing instructions that pretty much anyone can follow. And if you're still feeling perplexed, it's got handy charts and troubleshooting tips. It contains gluten-free choices and is clear and simple to understand. It covers the basics. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you're a fan of the Blue Jean chef Meredith Lawrence or have never heard of her, you can appreciate her air fry everything. This book's goal is to give readers plenty of fast, yummy eats without unnecessary and guilt-inducing calories, fats, and oils. It contains lots of hints and tricks and numerous pictures, and it teaches you how to roast garlic. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air fryer cookbooks, or simply click beneath this video.